Drip irrigation system, efficient watering for optimal growth, is a type of irrigation that delivers water directly to the roots of plants, reducing evaporation and runoff. This efficient system provides numerous benefits for agriculture, landscaping, and gardening. Key components: 1. Water source, pump, tank, or municipal supply. 2. Filter, removes debris and sediment. 3. Pressure regulator, regulates water pressure. 4. Tubing, main and lateral lines distribute water. 5. Drip emitters, release water at precise intervals. 6. End caps, seal tubing ends. Types of drip irrigation systems. 1. Surface drip irrigation, emitters on the soil surface. 2. Subsurface drip irrigation, emitters below the soil surface. 3. Micro-irrigation, small-scale drip irrigation for gardens. Benefits: 1. Water conservation, up to 50% water savings. 2. Increased crop yields, targeted watering promotes healthy growth. 3. Reduced labor, automated system minimizes manual watering. 4. Improved soil health, reduced soil erosion and compaction. 5. Reduced fertilizer use, targeted watering optimizes fertilizer application. 6. Reduced weed growth, minimized water availability for weeds. Advantages: 1. Energy efficiency. 2. Low maintenance. 3. Flexible design. 4. Suitable for varied soil types. 5. Improved plant health. Applications: 1. Agriculture, row crops, orchards, etc. 2. Landscaping and gardening. 3. Greenhouses. 4. Nurseries. 5. Municipal and public spaces. Design considerations: 1. Water source and pressure. 2. Soil type and topography. 3. Crop water requirements. 4. System layout and tubing size. 5. Emitter spacing and flow rate. Installation and maintenance. 1. Professional installation recommended. 2. Regular inspections and maintenance. 3. Cleaning and flushing of filters and emitters. Cost: in province Punjab government of Punjab, providing subside at 75% to farmers holding land in Punjab province. Drip irrigation systems offer a precise, efficient, and cost-effective solution for optimal plant growth, water conservation, and reduced labor.